To fix this problem, head straight to your phone and try to search for settings. So when you find your settings, just tap on it to open it. After that, tap on apps and notifications over here in your settings. After it has opened, tap on see your apps. Now wait for it to load and you're going to see all your apps over here. So now scroll and search for the app, which is Bradesco. So tap on notification and make sure show notification is toggled on. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure it's also toggled on. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. Go back and tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on force stop, tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open it. Now try to search for the Bradesco app. So when it appears like this, after searching it, tap on it to open it. And now what you have to do is to update it. Tap on updates over here. So after tapping on updates, it will download and reinstall on your device successfully. After that, tap on power button and tap on restart or reboot on your phone. After that, tap on OK to restart or reboot your phone. If you don't have this option, just turn your phone off, then turn it on again. It's the same process. Thank you very much for watching this video.